Mastering Gemba Walks. Gemba walks fail because leaders are unprepared, unclear, and disconnected from the shop floor. How can one recognize and effectively mitigate the common pitfalls that often hinder the success of Gemba walks, such as inadequate preparation, lack of clear objectives, and insufficient involvement of shop floor personnel, in order to ensure that these walks truly drive operational excellence and meaningful improvements in its processes? To recognize and effectively mitigate the common pitfalls that often hinder the success of Gemba walks, it is essential to adopt a structured approach that ensures adequate preparation, clear objectives, and sufficient involvement of shop floor personnel. Here are some strategies to help overcome these common pitfalls. Adequate preparation. 1. Define the purpose and objectives, clearly articulate the reasons for conducting the Gemba walk, the specific processes to be observed, and the expected outcomes. This will help focus the walk and ensure that all participants are aligned. 2. Identify the right participants, invite a diverse group of stakeholders, including shop floor personnel, supervisors, and subject matter experts. This will provide a comprehensive understanding of the process and facilitate meaningful discussions. 3. Schedule the walk wisely, plan the walk at a time when the process is running normally, and the area is not experiencing unusual disruptions or variations. 4. Gather necessary materials, ensure that all necessary materials, such as observation checklists, cameras, and notebooks, are available to facilitate data collection and note-taking. 5. Establish a clear agenda, develop a structured agenda that outlines the specific areas to be observed, the expected duration, and the key discussion points. Clear objectives. 1. Develop specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART, goals. Ensure that the objectives of the Gemba walk are aligned with the organization's overall goals and key performance indicators, KPIs. 2. Focus on process improvement, emphasize the improvement of processes rather than simply identifying problems. This will encourage participants to think creatively and develop solutions. 3. Set clear expectations for data collection, define the types of data to be collected, the methods for data collection, and the expected outcomes. 4. Establish a clear feedback mechanism, define how feedback will be solicited, recorded, and addressed. Insufficient involvement of shop floor personnel. 1. Involve shop floor personnel in the planning and execution. Encourage shop floor personnel to participate in the planning and execution of the Gemba walk. This will ensure that their insights and perspectives are incorporated and valued. 2. Provide training and empowerment. Ensure that shop floor personnel are trained in the Gemba walk methodology and are empowered to stop the process if they identify a safety risk or quality issue. 3. Encourage open communication. Foster an open and transparent communication culture that encourages shop floor personnel to share their concerns, ideas, and suggestions. 4. Recognize and reward contributions. Recognize and reward shop floor personnel for their contributions to the Gemba walk, such as identifying opportunities for improvement or developing innovative solutions. During the Gemba walk. 1. Observe and take notes. Observe the process without interrupting, and take detailed notes on what is seen, heard, and felt. 2. Ask open-ended questions. Ask open-ended questions to encourage shop floor personnel to share their insights and perspectives. 3. Focus on facts, not opinions. Emphasize observations and facts rather than opinions or assumptions. 4. Identify opportunities for improvement. Identify opportunities for improvement and record them for later analysis and prioritization. Post-Gemba walk. 1. Debrief and review findings. Conduct a debriefing session to review the findings, identify patterns, and prioritize opportunities for improvement. 2. Develop an action plan. Develop a comprehensive action plan that outlines the specific improvements to be implemented, the responsible personnel, and the expected timelines. 3. Assign responsibilities and track progress. Assign specific responsibilities to team members and track progress against the action plan. 4. Recognize and celebrate successes. Recognize and celebrate the successes and improvements resulting from the Gemba Walk. By addressing these common pitfalls, organizations can ensure that their Gemba Walks drive operational excellence and meaningful improvements in their processes.